Good morning, students. I am Manoj. Now we shall start chapter first, physics, electrostatics. We have already learnt about the charge. Now we shall discuss when two bodies are charged, what force is created between them. These force is firstly attempt to measure Coulomb. So after his name, this force is known as Coulomb force. Coulomb force exists between the two charged body when charged at rest. Coulomb's law only apply the charged body when at rest. When at rest. Yes, now we shall discuss between the Coulomb's force. The Coulomb force, according to the Coulomb force, it states that the force of attraction between the two charges is directly proportional to product of two charge and inversely square distance between the two charge body. Let we take two charge body Q1 and Q2 having the distance between them R. So F is directly proportional to product of two charge, inversely square distance between the two charge, and we can write mathematically F directly proportional to magnitude Q1 magnitude Q2, and F is inversely square of distance. Combined these values we get F directly proportional to Q product Q1 Q2 and inversely square distance R square. After removing the directly proportional, F is equal to K Q1 Q2 R by R square. K is the electrostatic force constant. Its value depend on nature of medium separating the charge and on the system of units. जो K की वैल्यू है वो नेचर ऑफ चार्ज, यानी कि चार्ज किस मीडियम में रखा है, एयर में है, वाटर में है, सैंड के अंदर है या फ्री स्पेस में है, और इसकी जो है यूनिट क्या लेंगे उस सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग इसकी जो है वैल्यू रखी जाती है. वैल्यू फॉर के की वैल्यू इन सीजीएस सिस्टम के इज इक्वल टू 1 एंड एसआई सिस्टम 9 मल्टीप्लाई 10⁹ न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर कूलम्ब्स -2. So now briefly explain of the K. So briefly explain of the K. K is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon. Epsilon E naught is called absolute electrical permittivity of the free space. E naught means free space, electrically permittivity. So we write F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. Now we have to find out the unit of epsilon, that is electrically permittivity of the free space. So we can derive the formula by the Coulomb's law. E naught you can see in the page. So now we put the F measured in unit Newton, charge in coulombs, distance meter square. So we can get the charge square and inverse and meter -2. Dimensional of this charge 80, because 80 means I is equal to Q by T. You have learnt in 10th class current chapter. 80 and 80 mLT square and L square. We can get these dimensional. The value of this we can find out from the K. The value of K is 9.910 raised to power 9. So putting all these value and we can get 8.85 into 10 raised to power 12 coulombs meters square newtons inverse meter minus 2. So in the next we shall discuss Coulomb's law in vector form. So this video we will send to all the students in the next homework. So always be positive, smile in life and obey the rule of lockdowns and happy healthy family.